Hi everyone, I'm Alistair and welcome to Menlo headquarters. Today I'm going to be looking at the FoxEss Energy Cube system. So if you're looking for battery storage for your PV installation at home, this is a great product for you to consider. As you can see, this is a really elegant solution. It's compact and you don't have to worry about hiding it away. But not only is it beautiful, it's really practical as well. You can stack up to 6 slave batteries for every one master, offering you up to 33 kilowatt hours of power. These batteries have a lifespan of over 6,000 cycles. In other words, you could drink from this bottle 6,000 times and still have 70% of its original capacity, so you don't have to worry about replacing them for a long, long time. FoxEss also have fantastic international technical support, so if things do go wrong, you can get in touch and they can help you. In the unlikely event that something does go wrong, you can always rely on FoxEss with their 10-year product guarantee. Now that's everything for this video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, it would mean a lot to us if you could give us a thumbs up. Other than that, I hope you have a great day and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.